To talk to a girl, begin by catching her eye. Introduce yourself and smile. Try asking her open ended questions about herself and laugh if she says something funny. If you have something in common, like hobbies or favorite bands, be sure to ask her more about those. While she's speaking, don't constantly interrupt. Show her that you're listening by nodding and rephrasing what she says occasionally. You can also use follow up questions like, "That's cool, can you tell me more about that?" to show that you're interested in what she's saying. If you're talking, try to maintain relaxed eye contact with her. You can give her a compliment about her personality or her taste, or just crack a lighthearted joke. Also, you can ask her about school or work. Just be careful not to tease her unless you're sure she understands your sense of humor. If you really hit it off with a girl, you can ask her for her contact information. Try saying something like, "I have to get going, but I'd love to pick up this conversation another time. Can I have your number?" Just remember to be friendly, relaxed, and confident throughout your conversation.